It was heavy rain yesterday night, my dear friends. This betel leaf ash has grown so nicely, and there is Ballara Kiri Pash. It is good for diabetes and all that. It will be little sour or bitter in taste. You can make sambar, chutneys, and all of this. After the rain, it has grown to its fullest capability. And this is the red hibiscus flowers. Just a single petal flower. If you just make a concoction by boiling water and putting the petals, just don't put the stamen or pistil, just the 5 petals, and then close it for some time. After that, if you filter it and have it, or add little bit of milk and honey to that, and take daily, it is very good for heart as well as very good for iron deficiency and all that. Try it, my dear friends. Only the single petal red hibiscus. This is yellow ornamental plant. There is a gooseberry tree over there. Badami maram is there. Mango tree is there. Coconut trees are there. A lemon tree is there.